macOS Tahoe removed Launchpad starting with Beta 4, and there's no built-in way to restore it without using third-party apps to mimic its functionality. If you prefer not to install such apps, you can quickly access your Applications folder from the dock with this tip. Open Finder, navigate to your Macintosh drive, and locate the Applications folder. Drag it to the Finder sidebar to create a shortcut. Then, right-click the sidebar shortcut and select Add to Dock. This allows you to swiftly access the Applications folder from the dock, offering a nostalgic Launchpad-like experience. Clicking the Applications folder shortcut in the dock displays a list of all applications installed on your Mac. Right-clicking the Applications folder shortcut in the dock offers several customization options. You can sort apps by name, kind, date modified, or date created. Additionally, you can choose the shortcut's appearance as either a stack or a folder and customize how the contents are displayed, with options including list, grid, fan, or automatic. And there you have it, a simple way to bring quick access to your applications right from the dock in macOS Tahoe, complete with customizable sorting and display options. While it may not be the classic Launchpad, this workaround keeps your workflow smooth and nostalgic. Try it out, tweak it to your liking, and enjoy seamless access to your apps.